If you open YouTube, you will see fast-growing YouTube channels using stunning AI-generated visuals that look like they took hours to create. And instead of spending days designing images or searching through stock libraries, they are generating unique visuals in minutes. And the best part here is that you don't need expensive software or advanced design skills to do the same. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate multiple high-quality images from simple text prompts in a very short time. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it and start creating YouTube-ready visuals with just a few clicks. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more practical videos every week. It all starts in Claude AI. Open Claude AI and paste in this prompt, then hit send. After a few seconds, Claude AI will ask you the name of your channel and the niche of your channel. So let me type in the niche and name of my channel, then hit send. After this, your Claude AI will ask you to paste here your timestamped transcript. In recent videos, I showed you how to create timestamped transcript using Google Gemini. Then copy your timestamped transcript in Google Gemini, then paste it to Claude AI, then hit send. In few seconds, Claude AI will start generating image prompts for using to create those visuals. Copy the prompts, download this extension, the link is in the description, pin it here in Google Chrome. After pinning it, search Google Flow, open Google Flow, start new project, then open your extension, turn off agent mode to make the extension work, then turn on those settings as you see here in this extension. Then also click here, set these settings as they are, choose this frame, choose here Nano Banana 2, then choose 1. After setting all things up, click here, then paste here the prompts from Google Gemini. You can use any number of prompts using this extension. For me, I have only 7. Then click here start generation and wait for the magic to happen. Google Flow will start generating and downloading all the images using the prompt you pasted in. After a few minutes, Google Flow have already generated all 7 images. As you see here, all 7 prompts generated, completely free. Now close the tab, open the download folder, then open Zappy image, click here. As you see here, all images have been generated by Google Flow and downloaded in my PC. Then what's next now is to use those images to create my videos, syncing all those images with the audio using any editor tool of my choice. You can use CapCut, InShot, or any editor tool of your choice. You can also use image to video AI tools to generate dynamic
Banks
videos.
calculate minimums to keep you paying.
If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever we post a new video.